Nice. Okay. Very good morning, students. Okay, I hope that all are good. Before class, we have discussed about the limits. Already you studied in class 11. Okay. Already before class, I explained the means all basic properties. What is the limit, formulas, all are explained. Yes. Now, today I have discussed about the what is continuity at a particular point, how to examine the continuity of the given function. If it is continuous, then find the value of k. Today we have discussed. Okay. Now, actually continuity of the given function at particular the point A. Working rule. Continuity of a function at x is equal to a. In this one, real polynomial. Every polynomial means a linear, constant polynomial, linear, quadratic or cubic or biquadratic or nth degree polynomial must and should continuous on every real number. Continuous every real number. Okay. Now, continuity of the function, how to do? First we can find the limit of the function at particular value. Limit we can find. We will find the limit. What is the limit value? You know the limit value or not? Limit value is equal to, what is the formula of the limit value? Limit x tends to a f of x. Already explained what is the limit, how to find the limit. Already means wrote the formulas on the board. Okay, that is completed part. Okay, now limit value that equal limit x tends to a f of x. What is the meaning of this one? This limit x tends to a f of x exist. How it is exist? How it is exist? This is, per suppose you can take the real numbers. Per suppose this is a, this is positive side. Per suppose this is negative side. This is x value. Per suppose negative side. When x approaches to a from right side, from x approaches to a from the left side, both are equal. That is, limit exist means limit x tends to a minus f of x, that equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. Both are equal. Both are equal. Say sir. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Then the function limit, then the limit of the function exists. Whenever the limit exists means these two are equal. What is the meaning of this one? Limit value is equal to, we can find the limit value is equal to this one. What is the meaning of this one? Means limit LHL, that is equal, this is left hand limit, this is equal to right hand limit. Understood? After that, next step we can find the function value. Function value. For suppose simply this one. For suppose this is y is equal to f of x be a curve. For suppose this is the point. At per suppose this is x is equal to per suppose. Here you can find the left hand limit, you can find the right hand limit. And also this is the x is equal to means function value, f of a means y. This point is nothing but the per suppose a means 100% f of a. Y is equal to f of a. This is f of a. This point is 100% f of a. Y is equal to f of a. Left hand limit from this one, this point, left, right equal and the function value is equal. These three are equal 100%. Okay, left, right, function value equal. Then what is the function value means? At exactly a means f of a. Now function value is equal f of a. Function value is equal to f of a. How to exactly a, what is the function is given, you can substitute that those value of a in the given function, that is f of a. Now limit value, if therefore limit value is equal to function value, limit value is equal to function value, that is limit value means LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value. Remember, Some problems we will find directly limit and limit value and function value, but some problems must and should we will find LHL, RHL and function value. Just what is the means what is the meaning, one concept you remember, only one function, total one function is given, in that one only one function is given, you can write this one. For suppose how f of x is equal to sin x by x if x not equal to 0, 1 if x is equal to 0. Here only one function is there. In this case we will write this one. Limit value, directly find the limit value at x tends to 0, not equal to 0, approaches to 0 means either left side or right side. Okay, now whenever you LHL or suppose f of x is equal, observe that this is minus x if x less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, plus x if x greater than 0. How many functions are there? 1, 2 functions and 0 also is value. More than one function is there. Whenever more than one function, must and should you write LHL, RHL, function value. You know the concept of LHL? Yes, already before class I explained that one. Okay, once you see that video, okay, LHL and RHL. Left hand limit when x approaches to from left side to the a means negative values, from negative value side it is approaches. What is the meaning of x tends to a minus? X tends to a minus nothing but the x less than 0 means x less than a. X tends to a plus, x tends to a plus means x greater than a. No doubt at all, yeah. For suppose some limit value, for suppose, okay, this is remember, limit value is equal to function value, LHL equal to RHL function value, then f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Say yes or no? Continuous at x is equal to a. Then otherwise limit function, limit value, function value both are not equal, or any LHL or function value, RHL or function value not equal. Any two are not equal, then f is discontinuous at a particular point. Discontinuous at the particular point. Okay. Now the function is continuous everywhere. Okay. For suppose the function is continuous or not. Compulsory the function is continuous on the domain. On the domain, 100% on the domain. The function is continuous on the domain. What is the meaning of the domain? What is the meaning of the domain? The function is defined every value of x, every real number. The function is defined every real number, not getting plus infinity minus infinity, not getting plus infinity minus infinity, then the domain of the function is R. For suppose you observe that f of x is equal to x. It is defined every real value. You cannot get the plus infinity or minus infinity. That is why the domain is real number. F of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x cube, all are the defined on the real number. That is why I am telling you first, f of x is continuous, that means every polynomial is continuous on R, because those domain is R. What is the meaning of the domain? It is defined every value of x, every value of x defined. Not defined means, for suppose you substitute, instead of x we substitute some values, we get either plus infinity or minus infinity, that is not defined. Here you cannot get the plus infinity minus infinity. That is why it is a continuous function on R. The domain is R. For suppose you will take f of x is equal to 1 by x. What is the domain of that function? The domain of the function is not R. Why? Because for suppose x value is 0, x value is 0, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means 100% infinity, not defined. At what value of x is not defined? At x is equal to 0 is not defined. Means that is not a domain part. Total actually R minus 0 is the domain part. Means at 0 is not defined, means that is called discontinuity point. What is the discontinuity of f of x is equal to 1 by x? Other than the domain part is called discontinuity part. What is the discontinuity? It is a discontinuous. Continuous on r minus 0 means discontinuous exactly at 0. Understood? What is the discontinuity? Perhaps in the examination point of view, find the discontinuity point of f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1. For suppose f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1, write the discontinuity at x is equal to dash. It is defined every value of x, but is not defined at x is equal to 1. Observe that, put x is equal to 1, what happened? 1 by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. It is not defined at the x is equal to 1. 100% means you are not getting the infinity, means x minus 1 not equal to 0, means 100% x not equal to 1. For suppose x is equal to 1 is not defined. X not equal to 1 means defined every real value. At what value of x the function is not defined? That is the discontinuity point. Understood? Not understood. This you can find the where the function is not defined. The function is defined on R, okay, it is continuous on R. The function is not defined at a particular value. At particular value the function must and should discontinuous. Remember? Okay. For suppose find the discontinuity of the function. For suppose very important, f of x is equal 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is given. Find the discontinuity of the function. Discontinuity at what value of x the function is discontinuous. Already I told. It is defined every value of x, okay, the continuous on R. We will find the function where is not defined. Where it is not defined. First we find. Where is not defined? For suppose this is 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Where it is, the function is not defined yet. This function is not defined yet. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal 0. 100% something by 0 means not defined. At what value of x the function is not defined? Those values are discontinuous points. What are the factors? What are the discontinuity value? For what value of x the function is discontinuous means the function is discontinuous at 1 comma 2. At x is equal to 1 comma 2. My dear student, I hope that you understood. Okay boys. Okay. Now this is the discontinuity part. Every function is continuous on their domain. Sin inverse of x is continuous on the domain. Cos inverse of x is continuous on the domain. Tan inverse of x, cot inverse of x, secant inverse of x, cosecant inverse of x are continuous on the domain. That's why you remember the must and should domains. See? Now mod x is continuous 100%. F of x is equal to 1 by x is continuous on r minus 0. Discontinuity point is 0. That's why you subtract the 0. Now f of x is equal to x 1 by x minus 1 is continuous on r minus 1. Okay, discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Understood or not? That's why we remember that one. Now we will go to the one problem, how to do the continuity and discontinuity. Discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 1 by 2. Discuss the continuity of the function f of x is equal to. Listen carefully, very easy problems. Of minus x. If 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 by 2. Exactly 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Next. 3 by 2 minus x if 1 by 2 less than x less than or equal to 1. This is the question. Discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 1 by 2. Discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 1 by 2. Means at x is equal to 1 by 2 this function is continuous or not. Just asking not discontinuous, continuous or not. At 1 by 2 exactly 1 by 2 discontinuous. Now what is the formula? More than one function. Two functions are there. This is function value 100 exactly equal to me. This is function value more than one function. Whenever more than one function, must and should you find the LHL and RHL. Okay, my dear student, LHL and RHL. Okay, now we find L at x is equal to 1 by 2. LHL, left hand limit. What is the formula of left hand limit? Limit x tends to a minus f of x. This a plus a minus indicates the which function we will take. A minus means x less than a. For suppose what is the meaning of x tends to a minus means it approaches to from less values, means negative values are less than a values. Left side. X greater than means from right side approaches to a. Understood? Now limit x tends to a minus means 1 by 2 minus f of x. X tends to 1 by 2 minus means x less than 1 by 2, compulsory. Where is the x less than 1 by 2 function? This one. X less than this one. What is the function? 1 by 2 minus x. Limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus, what is the function? 1 by 2 minus x. Which function we will consider? Means this one or this one? Means this one. Why this one? Here the statement is this one. Now substitute the value of, how much you substitute? How much you substitute? Instead of x, whenever you write the function, instead of x we can write 1 by 2 only, not 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2, a minus indicates which function we will take. What the substitution is going on? General value substitute. Means x tends to 1 by 2 means you have to put, instead of x you write x is equal to 1 by 2 only. Now substitute the limit. Whenever you substitute the limit, we cannot write the limit. 1 by 2 minus x value is how much? 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 power minus 1 by 2 power plus means nothing. Okay. This depends only which function we will choose. This is 0. Now we can find the RHL. RHL is equal to formula limit x tends to a plus f of x. Limit x tends to a plus. A plus means 1 by 2 plus f of x more than x greater than 1 by 2 plus means x greater than 1 by 2. X greater than 1 by 2 means this one. Equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 less than x means this is more than 1 by 2 means what is the function? 3 by 2 minus x. Now x equal to 1 by 2 substitute, that equal 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 means 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means how much? 1. Here observe that LHL is equal to 0, RHL is equal to 1. Function value, you can find also function value. Now function value is equal f of a. F of a value. X is equal to a means x is equal to 1 by 2. Exactly 1 by 2 function. Exactly 1 by 2 how much? That equal to 1. All are equal or not? RHL is equal to 1, LHL equal to 0, function value is equal to 1. These two are not equal. LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Discuss the continuity means it is not continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. Simple. Okay, students. Understood? Okay, we will go to another problem. Simple, we can find the LHL, RHL. When you use the LHL, RHL formulas, in the problem more than one function is given, must and should we will find the LHL and RHL. If only one function is given, we will find the limit value directly. The limit value is equal to function value, then the function is continuous. LHL equal to RHL is equal to function value, then the function is continuous. Okay, my dear students, I hope that all are understand. Next we will go to the next problem. For suppose f of x is equal to mod x by x, x not equal to 0. F of x is equal to mod x by x, x not equal to 0 and 1 if x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to mod x by x, if x not equal to 0, 1 x is equal to 0. Then discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 0. Discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 0. Now x not equal to 0 means you know that either x positive or x negative. Already before I explained that one. What is the mod x? You know very well. Mod x is equal to x. Before class, clearly I explained mod x. Mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0, minus x if x less than 0. Okay? Say yes or no? 0 if x is equal to 0. No need of that one. Okay, already 0 is given clearly mentioned here. X is equal to 1 is mentioned. Okay, don't worry about that one. Mod x is equal to x. Now write the function. Solution. You write the function. F of x is equal to, I will take mod x. Mod x is equal to x when f x. What is the function? Clearly observe that. F of x is equal to mod x by x. Here. For suppose x where mod x is equal to x. X by x. If when x is positive. Not understood. F of x is equal to mod x is x boys. When x positive. Now this is value is 1. 1 if x positive. Here write down 1 if x positive. Constant function, no problem at all. Now mod x is equal to how much? Minus x by function means f of x. When mod x is equal to minus x means if x less than 0. That equal minus 1 if x less than 0. This is minus 1 if x less than 0. Now 1 if x is equal to 0. Clearly given. Mod x by x means x is positive. Mod x is equal to x by x means 1. That's why I am writing. I worked out the concept. Understood? Now check the how many functions are there? X greater than 0, x less than 0 means more than one function. Means we write the LHL and RHL. What is the formula of LHL? Limit x tends to a minus f of x. At 0, continue to discuss the continuity 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 means what is the value? Minus 1. The limit of the constant is constant. It is over. Now RHL. What is the formula of RHL? Limit x tends to a plus f of x. Limit x tends to a plus means 0 plus. 0 plus means more than 0. More than 0 means what is the value? 1. Limit of 1 is 1. Now function value. Function value is equal to formula f of a exactly 0. F of 0 how much is given? Exactly 0 how much is given? 1 is given. Observe that LHL minus 1 RHL is 1. Equal? Not equal. Therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is 100% discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Very, very simple problems. Okay? We will do easily total exercise. Most important questions. Okay? We will come in the CBSE exam for 2 marks question compulsory in the continuity. Very simple topic. Okay? Those 2 marks 100% in our pocket. 100%. Very simple questions. I hope that all are understand. Okay. Now going to another problem. Show that the continuity of the function is given by. Show that means it is continuous means x into sine of 1 by x. If x not equal to 0, exactly 0 if x is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students, show that it is continuous at x is equal to 0. You have to show that x is equal to 0, it is continuous. How many functions are there? Only one function is there. Not 2 functions, only one function is there. That's why you can take the limit value. Okay, okay, my dear students. Now, limit value is equal to, what is the limit value formula? Limit x tends to a f of x. Limit x tends to a f of x. Show that the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Show that the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now, limit x tends to 0. Exactly 0 not. Approaches to 0 means not equal to 0. Exactly 0 not. Approaches to 0 means from left side or right side. What is the function? X into sine of 1 by x. Now substitute the x value 0. You cannot substitute here. Only substitute here. Here sine 1 by x means sine function. The sine function always oscillating lies between the -1 and +1. Minimum value -1, maximum value. We cannot write 0 here. 1 by 0 means infinity. Not defined. We cannot write. Here the what is the function? We observe that. That is the sin x function. Sin x or sin 1 by x, whatever may be. For suppose sin square x means lies between 0 to 1. Sin square only positive values. Here sin x. Sin 1 by x or 2 by x, 3 by x, whatever may be, this value always lies between -1 and +1. This value always lies between -1 and +1. -1 +1. You can take any value. How many values in between -1 and +1? Lakhs values. Lakhs or crore values. But you multiply it with 0. X tends to 0. 0 into something. How much? Understood or not? Now, x tends to 0. 0 into, what about the sin x? Sin x always lies between, oscillating between -1 and +1. Oscillating between -1 and +1. How many values are there in between? So many values. But multiplying with how much? 0. What about answer? 0. Okay, students. Now function value. Now function value is equal f of a, that equal f of 0. Exactly 0. Exactly 0. How much is given? 0 is given. Now limit value is equal function value. Therefore, limit value is equal function value. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal 0. Very simple. That's why. Okay, my dear students. Next we will go to another problem. Examine continuous or not. Okay, we will see once. Discuss or examine the continuity. Continuity of the function. Examine the function means you have to show that it is continuous or not. F of x is equal to cos x by pi by 2 minus x. X not equal to pi by 2. 1 at x is equal to pi by 2. For continuity at x is equal to pi by 2. How to discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to pi by 2. Say yes or no. It is continuous or not. Same process, only one function is given. Exactly not equal to means either approach the right side or left side. Only one function is there means okay, no problem at all. Now we write the limit value directly. Limit value is equal. Limit value is equal to formula. Limit x tends to a. Limit x tends to a. A means pi by 2. Only one function is there. Cos x by pi by 2 minus x. Any doubts? Limit x tends to a f of x. Okay. You substitute x is equal to pi by 2. Cos 90, 0. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2. X value pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 0. 0 by 0. We get 0 by 0. That is called indeterminate form. What is the value of 0 by 0? A not value. No, not value. Means it is 0 by 0 is not a value. Means what is the meaning of that one? What indicates that one? We will go through the problem in another way. It is not the answer. We will go to the problem. Whenever you get the indeterminate form, that is not a answer. We will go to the we will do the problem in another way, another method. Okay. That's why I am thinking pi by 2 minus x. Here pi by 2 minus x is there. Cos x is there. Don't change at all. Here pi by 2 minus x is there. Otherwise, okay, what I am thinking, here cos x is there. Now I think here pi by 2 minus x is there. What is the formula? Actually formula is limit x tends to 0, actually sin x by x. This angle, this value same, sin x by x. For suppose here pi by 2 minus x is there. Pi by 2 minus x is there. 100% numerator sin, for suppose you write the sin. What happened? Cos x is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Say yes or no? Cos theta equals sin of 90 minus theta. You write in this way. No problem at all. Okay. I will explain another method also. Okay. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Cos x means sin of pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. Here observe that sin x by x. Pi by 2 minus x is the angle value pi by 2 minus x. sin x by x. Limit x means x tends to 0 means both sides multiplied with minus pi by 2, x minus pi by 2 or pi by 2 minus whatever may be tends to 0. This value by this value. How much? Sin x by x how much? That equal to value 100% 1. Sin theta by theta that equal to 1. Now limit value already clearly given. Limit value is 1. Function value at exactly pi by 2 how much is given? Now function value is equal. How much is given? F of a. F of a means f of pi by 2. That equal to how much? 1 is given. Therefore limit value is equal to function value. Both are equal. Both are equal means 100% it is continuous function. Okay my dear students. But suppose you have no idea about this formula. We will do another process. Okay. Listen. Same way, listen carefully. Okay my dear students. Here denominator is pi by 2 minus x is there. Cos x we cannot change anywhere. Pi by 2 minus x something t. Now what about x value? X is equal pi by 2 minus t. Whenever you will take the substitution 100% you will change the limit. X tends to means now total value 2 means here limit also t tends to. Now put x is equal how much? X tends to pi by 2. Means x approaches to pi by 2. X value pi by 2 means pi by 2 means 0. T approaches to 0. Understood? You substitute x value pi by 2 in this one. T 100% reach the 0. Whenever x reach the pi by 2, t almost reach the 0. Now substitute limit x tends to pi by 2 means t tends to 0 cos of x. X means pi by 2 minus t by this value is t. Cos of 90 minus theta. First coordinate 90 is there, cos will be changed sin. Limit t tends to 0 sin t by t. What is the formula? Limit t tends to 0 sin t by t means that equal to 1. Okay my dear students. This is the limit value. Now function value is equal to what is the function value? Function value 100% f of a pi by 2 that equal 100% 1. This type of questions maximum will come in the examination point of view. For suppose now we will go to the next problem. Now in this one the mod functions will come. Mod functions will given how to do the continuity and discontinuity. Whenever mod functions will come in the examination point of view, we will do very easy way. Okay, how to do? First suppose discuss the continuity of the function given by f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2. Discuss the continuity of the function f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to. Discuss the continuity. You remember, whenever modulus is given, first split the function. After that we will do the problem. Otherwise, which one is positive, which one is negative, confusion. Now 1 to 2. Now define this function in between 1 and 2. Exactly 1. How to? Means first x 1 to 2 in between. First x less than or equal to 1. X less than 1. So first one you take the, first suppose this is 1 2 is there in between. Listen carefully. 1 2 is given. Now first we can take this values lies between after values. Total real line we can observe that. Real line. This values means this is 1, x less than 1. This is 1 2. In between 1 2 means compulsory equal to 1 is there in between. Now in this one x less than equal to 1 means here compulsory is equal to 1. What is this one? 1 less than x less than 2, not included here 2. Now after that greater than 2 equal to 2. Now x less than 1 means not 1 after all values. 1 is equal is there from here to here, 2 not included, after 2 is included. You can split in this way. For suppose here we can take equal to 1, here not equal to. For suppose you take equal to 2, here you cannot take 2. Whatever may be, okay. Now in these cases, how to write that one? If x less than 1, what happened? Simple. How to write the f of x? If x less than 1, only first case x less than 1, what is the f of x? Okay, x less than 1 means you will tell any one value, simple value x less than 1. X less than 1, 0. We will take 0 here. Observe that. 0 minus 1. We cannot see the limit, just what is the value, negative or positive. For suppose negative value means total negative, positive means total positive. What I am saying? X less than 1 means how to take x is equal to 0 here. X equal to 0, 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means minus 1, negative or positive. You leave the modulus. Actually modulus, you can leave the modulus. I am writing the values. Left side values, what is going on. Okay, you can take the 0, 0 minus 1, just a concept word. 0 minus 1 means minus, okay, means that value is total minus, minus x minus 1. Understand? Whenever you remove the modulus, 100% you will take the either plus or minus. In this one, you will take the minus. Condition, x less than 1. Less than 1 value, you can take any value. First we will take minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. What about that value only? Minus 2 means value is negative. That's why you write the negative. You remove the modulus, you write the negative. Why you write the negative? Actually plus or minus symbol is there, but this value is in this case 100% negative. Next here observe that x less than 1 means you take x is equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That value is negative means minus of x minus 2. Now what the calculation? Minus x plus 1, minus x plus 2. Minus 2x plus 3. Yes or no? Now, second case, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Equal to 1. Equal to 1 means this is 0, 100%. 0 or positive, whatever. Positive or negative, you thinking 0. X is equal to 1, exactly 0. 1 to 2 in between means I will take the 1.5. X value 1.5 minus 1. 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5, positive or negative? Positive. That's why you write the positive. This is equal to f of x is equal to x minus 1. Now here 1.5. 1.5 minus 2. 1.5 minus 2 means negative, means you write the minus. Not understood. I think understood. Plus x minus x cancel. This is minus 1 minus minus plus 2 means 1. F of x is equal to 1. Now last but not least, x greater than equal to. If x greater than equal to means you can take the 2. 2 minus 1 positive, 2 minus 2 0, no problem. 2 greater than 2 you will take, 3 you will take. What happened? F of x is equal to 3 will take. 3 minus 1, 2, positive or negative? Positive. Next, 3 minus 2 means 1, positive. What happened? X plus x, 2x minus 3. Now we will write the function. We will write the function and discuss. Very easy, you will discuss about that. Now, f of x is equal to, first one, minus 2x plus 3, if x less than 1, 1, if 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, next, 2x minus 3, if x greater than or equal to, this is the function. We will form the new function. Actually it is given. By using those conditions, 100% we will form the another function. Now check the continuity at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now I observe that at x is equal to, directly I write at x is equal to 1 directly. What happened? LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value. Say yes or no. Immediately I will find right or wrong. LHL is equal to RHL equal to function value. Equal or not? Observe that. LHL means what happened? Limit x tends to a minus f of x. Limit x tends to a plus f of x. These all are equal. Okay. F of a at x is equal to 1 means f of 1. Now, limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means less than 1. Less than 1, what is the function? Minus 2x plus 3 is equal. Equal or not? Check. 1 by 1 you can find. No problem. Otherwise, you will write here in this way. Why you are tension. Equal to means maybe equal. Okay, don't confuse it. LHL, RHL function value. You can find it here. Okay, RHL. RHL means limit x tends to 1 plus more than 1. More than 1 means 100% this one. This is 1. Function value exactly equal to 1 means 1. Exactly equal to 1. Equal to 1 here 1. Okay. Say yes or no? Now substitute x is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus 3. X value is exactly 1 only. Not minus 1. Exactly 1. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into 1 plus 3. Minus 2 into 1 plus 3 means 1. This is constant of 1 means 1. This is 1. What happened? All are equal means f is continuous. F is continuous at x is equal to 1. LHL, RHL and function value. Therefore, it is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. Now, at x is equal to now say LHL, RHL and function value. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. Directly write. 2 minus means less than 2. What is that one? 1. Limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means more than 2. More than 2 means 2x minus 3. Now exactly function value, that is f of 2. Now this value, limit of constant 1 at 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. Exactly 2, that equal here function is 2x minus 3. F of 2 exactly 2 means 2 into 2 4 minus 3. Here also 2 into 2 minus 3. This is 1. This is 1. 4 minus 3 means 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 means 1. All are equal. Okay, my dear students, all are equal. Function limit left, right hand limits, function value all are equal. Therefore, f is continuous. That's why f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 is continuous at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now, another one, some more problems is given. Before problems, what we do? What we do means the function is given, we will check the continuity of the function. Okay. Now we are going, function already continuous, then find some values. Function is already continuous means left, right function value all are equal. Determine the value of a. Listen, observe that. Determine the value of k. The function is continuous at x is equal to 3. F of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3 if x not equal to 3. Now k if x is equal to 3. Determine the value of k for which the following function is continuous at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. The function already continuous at x is equal to 3. Now find the value of k. Given what is given? It is continuous function is given. How many functions are there? Only one function. Means 100% limit value is equal to function value. Why? Because it is continuous. It is continuous. Okay. Now given f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. Therefore, continuous at x is equal to 3. Therefore, limit value is equal to function value. What is the limit value formula? Limit x tends to a. A means 3, f of x. Function value means f of a. F of a means f of 3. Substitute. Limit x tends to 3 means approaches to not equal to 3 means what is the function? X square minus 9 by x minus 3 is equal to function value exactly 3. What is the function value is k. Understood? Now x tends to 3 means 3 square, 9 minus 9 by 3 minus 3, 0 by 0. Independent form, that is not a answer. We will do another method. Now observe that 9 is there, you write the 3 square, x square minus 9 equal to x square minus 3 square. That's why x minus 3 into x plus 3. Okay. Now x minus 3 this side, x square 9 minus 9 by x minus 3 is equal to how much? How much? X plus, this total value is equal to x plus 3 is equal to k. Now substitute x value how much? 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 means 6. 6 is equal to k. Okay, very simple, my dear students. Find the value of k means we will take this way. Now we will go to the another problem. Another problem. I think Okay, are you understand or not? I hope that all are okay. Next we will go to the find the value of the constant k. The function is continuous at x is equal to 0. The function is continuous at x is equal. What is f of x? F of x is equal 1 minus cos 2x by 2x square if x not equal to 0, k if x is equal to 0, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Find the value of k if the function is continuous x is equal to 0. Already is continuous, find the value of k, only one function is there. Now write the formula. Now given already f is continuous at x is equal to 0, we know very well, write down that word, f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now therefore limit value is equal function value. Okay my dear students, limit value is equal function value. Limit value formula, limit x tends to a means 0, f of x. Function value f of a means 0. Now substitute limit x tends to 0, f of x, what is the function? 1 minus cos 2x by 2x square is equal to f of 0, exactly 0, what is given? K is given. In this one 2 is the constant, write down in front of 1 by 2, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x square is equal to k. Observe that, apply the limit 0, cos 2 into 0, 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 0 by 0, indeterminate form. But we have one formula, already I explained that one. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square. What is the formula of this one? 1 minus cos ax by x square. What is the formula? That is nothing but the a square by 2. 1 minus cos ax by x square, that equal formula a square by 2. In this one a value is 2, 2 square by 2. 1 by 2 into, the formula is a square by 2. A value is 2, 2 square by 2, that equal to k. Okay my dear students, 2 square means 4, 4 4 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2 into 4 by 2 is equal to k, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2 cancel. What is the value of k? K is equal 1. That's why the continuity topic is very important and easy topic my dear students. Okay, this way we will do the problems. Okay, tomorrow I will explain remaining modulus of functions and sin x cos x. Tomorrow I will explain some more problems. Okay, thank you one and all.